is Mark Robert, and I'm the Technical Service Director for Concrete here at G3 Quality. I also oversee all the laboratories, so it is my distinct pleasure to bring you to the 3 different laboratories we have. 2020 was a challenge, and it was our goal to bring you all in and introduce you to our lab supervisors and all our experts. Fortunately, that couldn't happen, so we're going to do it virtually. So we're going to start here at Cerritos. Cerritos was started in 2013 and was specialized and focused on asphalt and soils and aggregate with concrete. Well, now I'm happy to say that we're using this facility for our concrete mixtures. And we have all a battery of tests to run for it. So let's introduce you to our lab supervisor. Come on in.
Hi, welcome to G3 Quality Cerritos Lab. I'm Francisco Miranda. I am the lab supervisor here in Cerritos. Here in our lab we specialize in concrete testing, but we also test in soils and aggregates and asphalt. We are CCR accredited and AASHTO accredited. I welcome you on this virtual tour, and as much as we'd love for you to be here in person, to be safe, and since I'm on your screen anyways, we'll just do it this way for now. During this virtual tour I will show you our equipment and our different testing capabilities for soils and eggs as well as asphalt. And I will be passing on the spotlight to our concrete specialist, Carlos Villamontes, so he can run through our concrete capabilities. And if there's no questions, let's get started. So this is our climate control room, where we keep temperature around 73 plus or minus 4 degrees for any of our specimens that can't be exposed to extreme heat or extreme cold. Our first machine we have here is our Marshall loader. We can break marshes on it, TSRs, and we test for stability and flow as well. Next to those we have our water tanks. One of them set at 140, it's a temperature water tank, and another one set 71 to 77, depending what test we are running. This will be used for our TSRs when we need them to sit for 24 hours in the extreme heat, high heat. Over here we have Ron Hernandez, one of our techs running the rice, getting it prepared. And next to him we have our wax pot, where we wax any of the cores or volumetrics when we're checking for air voids. We have our wash sink right here for any of our testing that requires water. And we have our CV machine right here where we run our CVs and our durability indexes. This is our freezer where we keep the TSRs once we get them saturated on the rice machine over here for 24 hours. They have to sit in there. So that's what we use for. Here's our water tank connects to the scale, which we use for SSD when we're checking cores or TSRs, volumetrics, and Hamburgs when we're trying to find the air voids for them. Coming this way, we have our SC machine where we run our SCs, and we also use it for our durability index. And here's our apparatus above where it is required to be. And this is our Hamburg machine. On our Hamburg machine we run the Hamburg wheel track, which is to test the rut of a specimen in a moisture condition. And then we also can run the rut test, which is testing the rut in a dry condition. So this is what this beauty is used for. Now you follow me this way, we're going to enter in the main lab, and I'll show you the rest of our equipment that we have. Alright, so this is our main lab area, and follow me, I'll show you around. Alright, so over here we have our asphalt corner, hot corner as we call it. We're actually preparing a specimen, and all of our tools that we need to perform asphalt we have right here. We have our mix designs, smaller designs, correction factors, we have our mixer, and we also have our larger pots with our mechanical mixer as well. Split rices, split TSRs, Hamburgs, everything right here in this corner. As we move this way, this is our aggregate area, where we have our scales, our pans, everything we need to run our sieve analysis. Here we have one of our employees, Alberto, running the soil max density test. It's really loud, so he's not doing it now, so we can still hear everything we're running through. And bottom here, there's more. And right here we have our ignition oven. We run our correction factors and our burn-offs to find out the oil content of our HMA specimens and mixes. And following over here, we have our gyratory compactor, where we do our rut tests, our Hamburgs, our volumetrics, and our TSRs. We compact everything here that we need to rubber and regular HMA. Follow me this way. And over here in this area, we have our large oven where we keep our asphalt specimens when we're getting them up to temp to be compacted in the gyratory. And just next to it, we have our TS4, we have a TS1, and we have two 12-inch, 8-inch compatible Gilson shakers, which is great for us to have when we have lots of testing going on, multiple machines. It's great to get quick turnaround times. Another capability that we have here in this lab is our storage space. We're able to hold on to specimens for as long as we need to, just in case there's any verifications that need to be done, or if there's any retests. We check with our project managers before throwing anything out. Over here, you follow me down, we have our saw. We're able to cut our hamburg specimens, and also concrete cores or anything that requires cutting, we have that capability right here. And we have our alley rattler machine, so we are capable of running alley rattler as well. And now probably the best part of the tour, I'm gonna hand it over to our concrete specialist, Carlos Viramontes. So if you come with me, it'll be his show. And now it's my pleasure to introduce our concrete specialist, Carlos Viramontes.
Hi everybody, my name is Carlos Viramontes. I'm the concrete specialist here at Cerritos, and I'll be taking you around the concrete area, show you our capabilities and what we can do with the concrete. So over here is our mixer. It's 12.5 cubic feet. It's big enough where I don't have to double batch. I can do one batch and make 15 beams. We also do water cement ratios, 3-point curves. And if you come over on this side with me, I can show you our sand pit. This is where we put beams to cure. This is the Caltrans method. And what's great about it being inside is I don't have to deal with the sun, wind drying it out. I can control the moisture from in here. Also, I can control the temperature of the pit, which is 60 to 80 degrees. And yep. Now that we make our way this way, we have 2 brake machines. This one's gonna be for flexual. This one's really great. It's our automatic machine. We're able to do compressive, split tensile, modulus of elasticity. And it's really good to have 2 machines. It makes us more time efficient. We make our way to this part of the lab. This is our fog box where we put our mortar, grout, and prisms. And then back here we have all our tanks. They cure the cylinders and the ASTM beams. And it's at a 73 plus or minus 3. So in this room, this is our dry shrinkage room. This is where I have all the shrinkage testing and cores. And we have it in here so it can be controlled. We keep it in here so we can control the temperature and humidity. Temperature needs to be 73 plus or minus 3. Humidity needs to be 50%. And if you follow me, we'll go on to the next area of concrete. All right, everybody, as you follow me to the last area of concrete, this is where we sulfur cap. We sulfur cap all the Caltrans cylinders and specimens. So we have the 6x12s, 4x8s, mortar, and grout. And I just want to thank you guys for coming on this tour. We are here to help you with any of your project needs. We are the concrete specialists, and I'm happy to give you back to our lab supervisor, Francisco Miranda.
Thank you, Carlos. And besides our main lab, another exciting part of G3 is we have 3 capable mobile labs for rapid set, fully decked out with beam modes, brake machine, and work area to fulfill your needs out on the field in an efficient manner. And I just want to say lastly, thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I know it's different circumstances, we'd love to have you here, but if you do want to come through and schedule a visit, we just have to follow the safety protocols, but we can make that happen. If you have any questions, any concerns, you can reach out to us, and we would love to partner with you. We pride ourselves here in G3 as working with our clients and creating a relationship, and I look forward to having a relationship with you as well. Thank you. And now it's my pleasure to introduce the founder and president of G3 Quality, Chris Gerber.
Thank you, Francisco, for the awesome virtual tour that you've given our clients and our partners, and really giving them the ability to see our capabilities here at G3. My name is Chris Gerber. I'm founder and president of G3 Quality. And again, thank you for spending this time with us. You know, we're very personal here. We love bringing people in and educating and showing them exactly what we do to support the local infrastructure community. As founder of G3 Quality, my partner Susan and I started G3 really founded on 3 principles, which is to grow, guide, and give. That really is the meaning behind G3, and quality is in our name. We're really here to service our clients, service the industries, and allow our employees to really grow with the company as the company grows, which is all true to the partnerships that we've built over the years. We're excited to be able to virtually show you our 3 laboratories that we now have. We have capabilities throughout Southern California as well as Northern California, and we're going to continue to grow, continue to service the needs of our clients and really what they need to successfully complete their projects. We look forward to partnering with you in 2021, and we wish you health and safety and a prosperous 2021.